How you going, guys? Just got a quick video on how you can change all of your reverse camera settings and what each one does really on the Vhedia G Series head unit. So if I go into settings here, as you can see on this list on the left, we've got reverse. So in here, we've basically got reverse mode, so ordinary reversing or close. I'll leave this on ordinary reversing camera. The rear view camera mirrors left and right or up and down. So basically if your camera was flipped left and right, depending on how you've mounted it, if it's an aftermarket one, or if there's just something weird going with the factory one from the software, then you can just mirror it left and right or up and down if it's flipped. Backside ruler, that's basically your reverse guidelines. So you can turn that on or off. We've got our own superimposed ones, so you might want to turn this off if you've got factory reverse camera, which has its own lines. So you don't have two overlapping each other. Then we've got the reversing camera system. So this is the format here. You can manually set it. Typically you want to leave it on auto matching because it'll be pretty good at finding the correct format by itself and applying the best one. But if for whatever reason it isn't, then you can go through and you can find whichever format is correct for your camera. So that's how you can do that. Then we've got, so if you've installed a front camera in the unit into one of our extra camera ports that you can normally just get up manually by touching the screen. Some people might want this to turn on at the end of your reversing. So basically once you put the car into drive, you can have the front camera come on for however many seconds you like, between 3 and 20. So if you install one of those, then yeah, that's a pretty good one. Otherwise, if you haven't, then just leave it on close. And then reverse power supply. So if you've used, basically we have a wire that comes out of the one of our plugs, which is a pin that basically gets 12 volt, which is good for powering aftermarket cameras. If you're having one of your cameras not coming on, if it's like an aftermarket one particularly, and it's because this setting isn't turned on, then make sure you turn it on, but otherwise leave it off. And then reverse delay, this is just how long it takes for the reverse camera to come on after you go into reverse. 99 times out of 100, you just want to have this on 20 milliseconds, the lowest. But yeah, if you're having any advanced issues or something, there might be a reason to increase it, or for a specific use case, but typically you just want to leave that on the lowest possible. So let us know if you have any questions or concerns regarding anything to do with your camera. We've got our live support on our website, so that's our live chat in the bottom left or right, and then we've also got our emails and our phone support. So let us know, guys, or in the comments of this YouTube video. Cheers.